How to stop ads on your Samsung Android phone. This tutorial shows you how to block ads across all apps and browsers using a private DNS on your Android device. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. After that, tap on Connections to open the connection settings. From there, tap on More Connection Settings to see additional options. At this point, tap on Private DNS to open the DNS settings. In the next step, select Private DNS Provider Hostname from the options. Following this, type in dns.adguard.dns.com in the field provided. Once done, tap Save to apply the new DNS settings. Finally, go back to any app or browser, and you'll notice ads are now being blocked across your entire device without needing to download any additional app. And that's it. If this Samsung guide helped you block ads on your device, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.